Pete, how's it going?
Very good day.
Very good day. What,
Yep,
are we up to?
We're going up there.
Going up there?
Coming back down.
Anything you want to say to anyone?
Love everyone.
I hold my ground and clench my fist. Nothing shaking me. My beliefs, I'm speaking truth, freedom, and peace. And I tried to claim the last rights that their man trying to take from me. Like camping by the roadside, a man under a tree. Illegally, but who's squealing knees? Cause think I'm on some killing spree. Now watch it.
Give me the contact with somewhere. Mate, I'm still David. I'm going to check the undies again.
Although instincts say turn and run, you know I stand firm in my place.
About half an hour before you put it together. Hey, Phil. Pretty tight, huh? Can we go now? Very good. Pretty calm. Calm collected. Only about 5 go away. Yeah, we get to the floor. 5 go away. Good luck.
Under a tree, illegally, but who's squealing knees? Cops think I'm on some killing spree. Now what you gonna do? No one here for us to turn to. Now what you gonna do? No one here for.
Rushing through the traffic and I don't give a damn. Breaking all the laws and I challenge anyone to try and calm me down. Hey, hey, hey! People jumping back, get out of my way, staring in my wake because they think I'm crazy. But I gotta get back to you, to you, to you, to you. Oh, I'm coming home. I'm coming fast as fast as I can. Thinking of you, waiting, don't know when I'll arrive. Not sure if I'll be there at all to take you in my loving arms. Hey, hey, hey! No chance to get a message, how you gathering dust. I'm pacing up and down with a hey, ho, follow, stop. That only drags you down. You're down, you're down.
Oh, man. Yeah. Any air's clean me out? Sinuses are good.
Good job.
Man, that's unreal.
Good job. Look up at the camera.
Just be a smile. I'd explode with just one kiss. Understand what it is like. An unbelievable state of bliss. Oh, I'm addicted to this drug. Tell me what is it not to know? 'Cause I need it.
What's that?
What the hell am I waiting for? I think I like it too much. I think I like it too much. Do you breathe?
Alrighty, we're back on the beach. How was it?
Awesome!
Alright, nice one. Good job. Good one. Good job.
Yeah.
Love your work. Alright, thanks for jumping here today. See you next time.